All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver, a T15 screwdriver and some long nose pliers. To remove the suction cover, first eliminate all power. Then remove both wheels. These can be stiff to take off. You need to remove all of the screws holding the plastic outer housing shell in place. These might be tightly secured, so take your time. Then remove the 4 screws holding the detergent tank holder in place. You can then remove the pipe hose and the tank away from the pressure washer. There will be 2 more screws that we need to remove, one on either side of the yellow housing as shown. Remove the detergent suction pipe hose and lift the motor up and out. To remove the washer suction cover, twist it up and then away from the motor unit. Remove the fine filter with a pair of long nose pliers. If needed, lubricate the seal with the provided silicone grease and replace the O-ring seal if faulty. Then push in your new fine filter until you hear a click. You can then install the new washer suction cover as shown here. You can then place the motor back in the casing and reattach the detergent suction pipe hose. Then pop the plastic housing back on. For this to attach securely and easily, you may need to unscrew the 4 screws with a Phillips screwdriver on the black casing at the bottom of the handle. Re-screw all of the screws back into the plastic outer housing, and if you unscrewed the 4 screws on the bottom of the handle, then also re-screw these in. You can then reattach the detergent tank holder and re-screw the 4 screws in. Then attach the detergent suction pipe hose back to the tank. Then reattach the 2 wheels, and that's it. Your new suction cover is all set to go.